coconut lime pie, and a look at the shimmer. See the shimmer? Guys, look at that. I'm going to take some lime, and believe me, the lime in here is so you can see, because that's that's great to zoom in. I think that's good enough. And I'm using gloves because I don't want any wow, I'm surprised I have stuff over. I am surprised about that. Okay guys, while I'm waiting for my pie to cool down, I'm gonna cut these in half. These are some biscuits, and I'm gonna cut them in half. That was not. I have no. I'm always cutting something smaller. Yeah, okay. I think that's good. Let's cut these up. It's a bit off. I have my pie out of the mold, and this is my frosting. I'm gonna wait for that to cool down and whip it a bit so I can pipe my so I'll score this to cut it in half. My bad chocolate cutting, and this is just for me to use here. Okay. This is cracking up.